Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Make sure your iPad is unlocked and running a supported iOS. Once done, open the Settings app. This is where power controls live. If you use screen time or a device passcode, have it ready because you may need to confirm changes. Tap the gray Settings icon, then pause. This first step ensures you won't be blocked by security screens while enabling low-power features. Once in Settings, scroll to and tap Battery. This section shows battery percentage and usage. Then locate Low Power Mode and toggle it on. You'll see the battery icon turn yellow sometimes. You do this because Low Power Mode reduces background fetches, automatic downloads, and some visual effects to extend charge. Make sure to glance at the list of restricted behaviors so you know what changes to expect while the mode is active. After enabling, confirm Low Power Mode is active by checking the Settings toggle or the yellow battery icon. For faster access later, add Low Power Mode to Control Center via Settings Control Center. Customize controls so you can toggle it with a swipe. If you don't see the option, make sure your iOS is up to date and that screen time or restrictions aren't blocking changes. If problems persist, restart the iPad and retry.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.